Hello guys, welcome back. This is CSEC now, and I'll be going through this 2021 Office Administration paper. With all due further said, guys, make sure you guys do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. With all due further said, guys, I'm just jumped into the answers real fast. All right, so let's go. We got this, guys. We got this. We got this. So it says. Number 1. A small package containing important documents is to be mailed to Canada, right, from the Caribbean island. Which postal service would be most suitable? Alright, so for a parcel post, this is not very securely, guys, and this has some disadvantages as well. And for recorded mail, it's not really safe that much. For first class mail, it has less efficiency as well, but not securely that much. It has to do with a register mail. But once you register mail, guys, what it has to do with it's very secure, and it's going through the batch of processing where they have the courier handler is very secure about register mail. Alright. Number 2, it says which of the following item would be included in a memorandum? So would be include. So first of all, guys, salutation address doesn't really matter. Salutation complement kilos doesn't matter. It has to do with a date. Alright. Number 3, it says which of the following situation would the relationship between employees be described as vertical? Alright, so the relationship between employee would have to be vertical to one is senior to the other, right? This is a repeat question as well, guys. Number 4, it says which of the following is a correct sequence to follow on a receipt of a suspicious package? So if you see a suspicious package, first thing you guys will do is this is the first thing. So you handle the package carefully, right? After you handle the package carefully, you would place the package away from you. Alright? After you place the package away from you, you have to leave the office. Alright, so this is the third thing. You leave the office. And after you leave the office now, guys, you have to lock the door. Right? This is the fourth thing. And then you have to inform the security. Alright, so the answer for this one is C, guys. Alright, number 5, it says Mr. Lee of the sale department asked the receptionist to transfer a call to customers to fill the account from the account department. If the call is disconnected while it's being put through the account, what should the receptionist do? So first of all, the receptionist should leave the line open so that the customer could call again. Alright. Number 10. Alright. Sorry. So number 10. It says which of the following statement sorry. So which of the following statement describe the applicant curriculum vitae? Alright, so is it to a brief, and it has to do with basically not necessarily brief account of his life history and work experience. No, it basically has to do with an extended list of his dossier and interests. So it has to do with C, guys. Alright. Number 11. It says it's now 3 months since you have applied for a job, right? And apply for a job at a large firm, and you have only received a letter of acknowledgement. What action should you take in the effort to obtain the job? So first thing first, guys, if you literally apply for a job and you have not received any call, and it's just basically you get a letter of acknowledgement, the first thing you'd have to do, guys, is to write a letter to follow up the application. Alright, Number 12. It says, which of the following service would be offered to customers who have fixed deposit? So first thing first, guys, a person who has a fixed deposit than a normal saving, you would basically have a higher interest rate than other than have a saving account. So the answer for this one is 3, guys. Alright, so that have a higher interest than others that have a saving account. Number 13, it says, alright, which of the following is not requirements of a letter of application? So first thing first, guys, the application does not has to be typed. Alright, it does not has to be typed. So the answer is A, guys, where you said it should be typed. It does not has to be typed. Alright, number 14. So which of the following guidelines should be followed by the interview during a job interview? And the answer for this one, guys, it has to be remain pleasant and alert and be confident when answering questions. And I think that I did this. I basically did this on one of my past paper, and I was saying that you were supposed to maintain minimum eye contact with the interviewer, but this is a bit tricky because it says remain pleasant and alert. That is basically it, but to be confident when answering question, that is also. But why not to maintain eye contact? But I will just go with this answer for now. Trust me, I will go with this one. Alright, so this one is basically to remain pleasant and alert and be confident when answering question. But I still doesn't agree with this question. This is one of the on the answer sheet, but I doesn't really agree with it though, because I think you should maintain eye contact. But anyways, number 15, it says you work in the record management, right, department of a large firm. In what order should you file correspondence from the following client? So alright, so in the management department, we have to form client from, let me see, Erwin. We'll have to form from Erwin first, right? Auto, cause let me say something, guys. You file from last names, right? Last names. So Martin Holdsworth fourth, and this is the third, right? So let me see this. It's 213. Alright. So the answer is C, guys. Alright. So we have Erwin Hull first, Otto second, and then Martel with third. Alright. Alright, so the correct indexing title of a file for Peter Kenneth Guando AASC LLB is, and it has to do, let me see, it has to do with, let me see, Peter K. Drunken ACC, Drunken Peter Kenneth. Alright, so we're doing a correspondence right here, guys, and in order to do a correspondence, best suitable for this one has to do with Guando first, so your name, and then we have Peter after one, and then we have Kenneth. Alright, so we have one right here, Peter. We have Guando 2. We have Kenneth 3, and then we have this 4th, and this 5. So the answer is B. Alright, guys. The answer is B for number 16. Number 17. It says, which of the following method of filing classification, alright? Classification could be most suitable for manufacturing company with distribution center through the Caribbean. And it has to do with geographical, Geographical. Alright, number 18. Which of the following would be most suitable for storing active copies, soft copies of file? It has to do with external hard drive. Alright. This one is a repeat question, guys. I'm just jump to the answer real fast. It says it clear. So I'm gonna try work out this, guys, so you guys could see. Alright. So it says clearly is paid basic wage of $8 per hour for 40 hours and 9.60 cents per hours overtime work. Last week, Claire worked 48 hours. What was her total wage for the week? Alright, so let me see if I could calculate this. I'll try it up here. So we have 40, right? Let's see if I could type this. 40 times 8. So 40 times 8, 3. Let me see, equal 320. Work it out. 320. It's very hard to type on this. And for the other overtime, so we have 40, guys, right here, times the 8. Alright, that is the first one. So we're gonna times this one. We're gonna times 8 times 960 right here. So 8 times 9 960, put 960 point, so it's 9.60. Alright, so you can see how much we get right here. So we have, sorry for my bad typing, guys, I hope you're understanding this. We'd have 76.80. Alright, and if you're gonna do this basically wage, so overtime, we're gonna add the 320 with, we're gonna add a 320 with the 7. Let me calculate this. So 0.00, right? Your 8, that's under 8, so we doesn't have a placeholder here, so we'd care about the 8 point, right? Then 6, let me check this over. Alright, so 396, 3 that one, 9, so it's 6. Sorry, guys, it's 6. So in that 2, 4, and we have 9. Then we have 3, 1, 3, 1. We only have 3. Alright. So the answer is 396.80, guys. Alright. Number 20. It says a large office space with many employees, right, working in the same area refers to us, and this one is a repeat as well, guys. It refers to an open plan. Alright, refers to an open plan, guys. Alright, so this one, number, so I'm gonna get this one really fast. Number 21, it says an advantage, right? An advantage centralized filing is, so what is the advantage of it? So is it so take less than to achieve file, more space and equipment are required. Records stored in one place in one place. The records are stored and managed in each department. So listen, the most thing about centralized, guys, decentralized is when you're moving them, right? So if you're moving all of your filing, that would have basically impacts on your filing. So for the centralized now, it doesn't move them, and for you doesn't move them, guys, all records are stored and managed in one place. So the answer for this one would be C. Alright, number 22. I'm trying to get through this answer real fast. A sum of money given to a cashier start of the day sorry, to make changes, call it, and this one is called it a float. Alright. Sorry. Number 23. It says the account department, right, request a file from a central file department. So following action should the clerk take? Alright, so let me see. Find out if the file is available. Complete an outsheet and place it in the file. Ask the person retrieving the file to sign for it. So first thing first, guys, we'd find out if the file is available, right? Find out if the file is available. Then we will this is already in order, guys, but this is the same thing. So it's basically all of them. It's all of them. Because this we already. Because the first thing you'd have to do is to ensure that you find out if the file is available. Complete an outsheet and place it in the file, and then you ask the person receiving the file to sign for it. So the answer would be D for this one, guys. Alright. Number 24. It says files which are no longer used and placed in a store refers to as, and refers to as an archive. Alright. Number 25. It says you are the receptionist and your employee has asked you to cancel his appointment with an client, right? With an important client. So the first thing you should do, guys, is to contact the client, apologize to him / her that the appointment has been cancelled. Alright. Number 26. It says at our annual general meeting of Runner Enterprise, an equal number of votes were cast against the motion. What action should the chairperson take to break the tie? Alright? And it has to do with casting the vote. Alright, guys? Number 27. So, should the following best describe the purpose of a petty cash book? So, let me see. To store cash efficiently, to prevent thief from employee, or for a small payment convenience. Let me see this one. Alright, so to reduce clerical work, no. It's not to reduce clerical work. To store cash efficiently. This more sound like it, but I'm gonna read the rest of the answer. For prevention of thief by employee, no. It's more likely D, guys. For making small payment efficiently. Alright. Number 28. Which of the following terms is used? Describe a committee which has to set up a deal on a specific matter, and it has to do with the ad hoc. Alright. Ad hoc. Number 29. So this is a repeat one as well. Alright, guys. So it says the petty cash flow is 100. Operator on the impress. What amount should the petty cashier receive at the start of the new period? So let me see. 30, 15, 19, 22. It's not 100. Let me see. 130. I think this answer B. Let me see. Times this is a cleaning rate, which is $30. We have $15 right here, and we have 19 cents. So let me do this calculation. So 30 plus 15 plus 19.40 doesn't really like maths much, but I have to do this. Alright, 22 equal, and let me check it up real fast. So 30 plus 50, we have 45, 19, 40, 66, 22, 70, 80, that's 86. So this is 86.40 cents, alright? So 86.40. So the answer is A, guys, alright? Number 30. A chairperson the role meeting is to control, guide, and members, and to make note of discussion and ensure all members are given opportunities to speak. And this one is all of them. Alright? This one is all of them. Number 31. one duties of an account clerk is, let me see. The account clerk now basically prepare debit and credit note. Alright, so the account prepare debit and credit note. Alright. Number 32. It says, which of the following deduction can be made from wages without obtaining permission from employees? So guys, you know this is very income tax is one as well. Alright. Income tax is one as well. And let me see. And national insurance. So it's 1 and 2. Alright. Number 33. It says, which of the following document is sent by a seller when the customer has been undercharged? So let me see. When a person, if you, like, for example, you send out, you're a seller, and when the customer has been overcharged, you basically send out a debit note. Alright? Debit note to inform them that they were overcharged and they have to pay the overcharge fee. Alright? Number 34. Mrs. K bought a new stove on a higher purchase. This one is a repeat as well, guys. Alright? I'm going to just jump to the answer. Purchase from new and used appliance limited. She want to authorize her bank to make the monthly payment. Which of the following service would be used? And it's via standing order. Alright? Number 35. Sorry, guys. Number 35. It says the term van to be minutes. Sorry, I'm so sure. Verbal team meetings refers to, and it basically refers to an extract wording of proceeding at minutes. Alright. I don't know what I'm saying, guys. I have this down, man. Number 36. If the number of a person required to form a quorum is not present at the meeting, must be. Alright, so let me put this one in a simpler explanation. If the number of persons required to form the quorum is not present, obviously the meeting has to be postponed. It has to. Alright, has to. Alright, number 37. Which one of the most important function of the human resource department is, and it has to do attending the welfare of the employees. Alright, so that's it, guys. Number 38. It says on ex officio committee member is one who, and the ex officio is the one who attend meeting, guys. Attend meeting by virtue of an office. Alright. Number 39. Within a meeting context, a proposal, certain action should be taken, known as the motion. Alright, guys. Number 40. Which of the following item of business is not discussed at an annual general meeting? So let me see for this one. Declaration is divided, election, no. And so it has to do with making arrangement for import and director. So this will not discuss. Alright? Will not. There's no way you could make an arrangement for an import and director in front of everyone. No. Alright? So this one. Number 41. In what order should a secretary complete the following procedure when preparing for a meeting? So let me see for this one. You would have to ensure the venue is booked. So this is the first one. And he has to make sure that he sent out notice and agenda to all members. And then he would have to collect all information. And then you'd have to collect stationery use at the meeting. So most appropriate answer for this one, it's B. Alright, guys. Number 42. Which of the following would have major effects on the labor turnover? And it has to do with the working conditions. Alright. Number 43. An intermediary give information concerning, and it's the departure No. Let me see something. It says an itinerary give information concerning. Alright. Yes, it's about the detail of a business trip, not the departure of the time of the flight. No. Alright, number 44. You are traveling to a destination where time is just 1 hour ahead of the departure time, right? If your plane depart 12 noon and your flight take 1 hour, 50 minutes, alright, what time you arrive at your destination? So let's see for this one. Alright, so 1 hour ahead, right? And your departure. So I'm gonna just do this calculation real fast. Alright, so 12, we have 12, alright. So 12 noon. And we basically 1 hour ahead. So this is the 1 hour. 1 hour and 50 minutes that we're gonna take to departure. Alright, we're just gonna do the calculation real fast. Alright, so let me calculate this real fast. So we have 5 1. Alright, so we have 2 1 3. We have 13. So we have 13 and 15 minutes. So we're going to use the 1 hour ahead on this guy. So we have the 1 over here. Let me add up this real fast. 1 hour ahead. 5 1 3 and 1 4 and 1. So it's 14 and 15 hours. Alright, so the answer would be D for this one. And I hope you guys are understanding what I'm doing. Alright, so this is the 12. So this is the 12 hour, guys. Right here. The 12 noon. Right? And it's basically the flight will take like 1 hour and 50 minutes. Alright, so this is the 1 hour and 50 minutes. And then we add up and get all of this. And then the other 1 hour, which is ahead of that hour. So it'd be 1415 minutes. Alright? Alright, number 45. It says, when the 24-hour clock is shown 18:30 hours, the time on the 12-hour clock is, let me see on this one. So I'm going to try to calculate this one as well. Alright, so 18, so much maths, guys. Hope you guys know at least your little simple calculations, alright? Because it's so many maths questions on this paper. I just want to really make this video really long, guys, but I'm going to jump into the questions really fast. But I told you I was going to explain on this video on you guys, because the other video was so tired. Alright, so we're going to take away, guys. Alright, so 0 0 3. Alright, and 2 from that, 6. Alright, 1 from 1, that really matter, so 0. 1 from 1, 0. So we have 6:30. And the answer for 24 hours ahead, so we'd have PM. Alright, 6:30. So the answer would be 6:30 PM. Alright. Number 46. What is the first step that a businessman should take if his cash book and his bank statement show a difference of 20? So basically, you would have to do, guys, to reconcile his bank statement with his cash book. Alright. This one is a repeat as well. Alright, so right here, guys, we'd have to do a little bit calculation here to explain on this one. It says the schedule above shown the aircraft will stop to Antigua and its way from Jamaica Kingston. From Barbados, how many hours the aircraft be on the ground in Antigua? Alright, so we're gonna do the calculation real fast. Alright, so let me see. Antigua is 7:30, so we have 7:30 from Antigua, guys. Alright, do this really fast. So we have 7:30, And let me see, from Jamaica is what? 4. Let me check it. Yeah. Barbados, yes, it's 4:25. So 4:25. Alright. Take away that from this. So 5 that is 5. 2 from, sorry, I'm gonna write this more better so you guys could see. Alright, 5. So 2 from 3. 0 minutes 5. Alright. Let me see, just put 0 right there. Alright, 4 that from 7, 3. So it's 3 hour. Sorry. Oh my gosh. So it's basically 3 hour and 5 minutes. The answer is A for this one, guys. Alright. Number 48. Some firms offer a program which aims to assist new employees in becoming familiar with their job. The program is referred to as an induction. Alright. Number 49. A human resource clerk has asked to go through the list of applicants and select those who meet the requirements for the job. This process is called shortlisting. Alright, guys, this one is a repeat as well. I hope you guys studying, guys. Alright. Number 50. The use of perpetual inventory system in the law department store to enable let me see for this one. Not goods to be purchased, not goods to be sale of person to basically. The answer would be the calculation of stocks of a special interval. Alright. Number 51. The job employee as doing no longer required by the organization. The employee will. So if the job employee has no doing in the longer required, the organization would have to, and it has to be made a redundant. Alright. Number 52. The Joy High School want to build a new canteen and has received promotional material from several firms. In order to select the most suitable for the job, the school should invite the firm to send, and let me see, priceless catalog, and he has to send, let me see, I'm trying to understand this question more briefly. The high school want to build a new canteen, right? And has received promotional materials from several firms, right? In order to select the most suitable firm for the job, the school should invite the firm to send, and it's tenders. Alright, tenders. Number 53. Minimum level of stock card refers to, and it refers to the lowest balance of stock allowed. Alright. Alright, this one, guys, this one is a repeat as well. What is the cost of the closing stock at the end of the FIFO? The end of the FIFO. This one is basically easy, guys, but I'm gonna just do this real fast so you guys could get the calculation of this. Alright, so I'm gonna just jump into this real fast. So let me see if I could get this. So alright, we're starting now. 10. Alright, so guys, we have 15, right? I'm gonna explain this real fast. We have 15, stock came in, and for 15 we will leave back as we have another 15 right here, guys. And if it's gonna issue 20 out of the, we have 20 right here, guys. Alright, so if we have 20 and we take away 5 from this 20, 15 from this 20, we'd have 5. Alright, so the 5 that leave back, guys, would take away 5 from this 15, right? No, not take away, would add, sorry, would add the 5 on this 15 and we get 20. So this is the 20 that has right in here. So we're gonna take away, let me put 30. Alright, we're gonna take away, sorry, I hate to use the sensor. 30, take away the 20, right? We'd have 10. Alright, guys, so we're gonna times the 10, so it's 10 times the 30, 10 times 30, and for the 10 times 30, guys, we get 300. Alright, so the answer would be A for this one. So many calculation, guys. Guys, you guys could took a calculator into the examinations, alright? I think mostly are likely you guys could carry a calculator, alright? If he doesn't want to do simple calculations. Alright, number 55. What is the benefit of having an insurance coverage during the transportation of goods? And it's basically to compensate the businessman in case of a loss, to cure a loss, right? So number 56, what is the 20% overhead charge? So calculation again, guys. We have to do some calculation on this. So alright, let me get this real fast. So overhead charge, let me do this. So we have for the overhead charge, guys, so calculate everything right here. The answer would get is 1,000. So let's put it for example, $1,110, right? Then we're gonna take we have it, so it's 20%. So they want to know the 20% of this, so it's 20%, and we're gonna times it sorry, by 1,000, by 1,110. All right, 1,110. So listen, if you're gonna do this in a calculator, I'm gonna do this in my calculator real fast. All right, so the answer would be 222. So the answer is C. All right, guys. Sorry. Number 57. It says the total cost of the job is, and the cost is already here. So this is the cost per unit. All right. Sorry, guys. So let me look on this. So it's basically we're gonna add. All right, guys. So we're gonna do a little simple calculation on this real fast. So we're gonna add the total cost, because it says the total cost of the job. So listen, guys, we're gonna add the 1,110 plus this 222. So it's 1, 1, 1, 10, right? Plus 22. So it's 2, 2, 2. Alright, guys. So let's we see this calculation. So that 2, that and that 3, that and that 3, and 1. So the answer would be D, guys. Alright, this is how you get the total. Alright, number 58. Jump to the answer real fast. P Hawk has manufacturing business. His raw material is 1,900, right? Rate, and his rent is 2,000. And the factory wages amount to 2,500. It says the number of units produced in 640. What is the cost of one unit? Alright, so I'm gonna just do a little bit calculation on this. Alright, based on my understandings, let's me get this real fast. So 1,900. Never really want to make this video really long, guys, but I has to, because I need you guys to understand what I'm doing in order this repeats. You guys could get the answer real fast. So 1,000 that plus 2,000 plus 2,500, right? 2,500, 2,500, and we divide this 640. All right, 640. All right, so equal, you get 6,000 6,400. Alright. Divide this again into 640. Will equal 10. 10. So the answer would be 10. Alright guys. So that's it. Alright. Number 59. It says an order for a supply for 4-hour a new laptop, right, was delivered on January 4, 2021. The amount due for the payment is $2,680. The subject is 5% discount. If the bill is paid within 28 days, the total discount is, so alright, so if it's paid before, basically it was delivered on January 4, 2021, and the subject to be 5% discount, right, if the bill is paid. So we'll do this calculation real fast. Let's, with all due said, so it's 5%, right? We have 5%, and we're gonna times this times 2,680, right? Alright, 2,680, and we're gonna get 134. So the answer is A, guys. Alright, so the 5% right here, guys, we're gonna times that by the 2,600 right here. Alright, so we get 134. Alright, number 60, last and final, guys. The company at which you are employed as a COD system for filing, right, for selling the goods, sorry. So the COD mean, and the COD, so for the COD, guys, it means cash on delivery. So you're selling goods, and you are employed as a cash on delivery system. So it's basically cash on delivery. Alright. So I want to say, guys, thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you guys do drop a like and subscribe if this video really helped you. Make sure you guys do share it out so you guys could get notice of all of your friends that are doing exams to get a knowledge. And I want to say, guys, thank you guys for making it with CSEC now.